Typically, we have to be careful with overworking a piece of art when the piece is done, but we keep futzing with it until we lose some special subtlety or nuance. But I want to talk to you about the opposite issue that can occur when, because you've made something pretty in your picture, you refuse to cover it up, even when the picture wants you to, needs you to, and almost demands you to. Hello there, everybody. I've been working on a pastel landscape for the last few weeks between other projects, and I had gotten it to a certain point where I was going to say it's done, spray it, and stow it. After I let it sit there, I realized I wanted to say it was done because to actually finish it, I would have to fill these branches out, and that would cover up the work I had done before the branches were even placed in the foreground. There is this issue in pretty much all art fields where in order to create, you're going to have to destroy parts and sometimes all of something you've put a lot of time and effort into to get the outcome you want. Let's see what happens this time. I've got to put a bunch of dark underbranch first, then I might even put some highlights on top of some of these leaves. I hope this turns out well, but it really helps having you guys with me while I do this, so thanks for the support and hanging out. All right, we're finally getting some weight in here. And the sun creates all of these truly dark shadows underneath. Wow, that is working very well. I am so happy we're doing this. And I'm glad I didn't settle for the state of the foreground element and went ahead and did the work. Unfortunately, fixing that, I touched my brush here incorrectly. So now we've got to fix that. Historically, I remove the tape from the painting in the studio, then I have to juggle getting it outside, putting the painting in unnecessary danger. So let's don't do that this time. Let's do it all out here. Let me know your thoughts on having to cover up art to make art. And thanks for joining us here at White Paint and Pastels. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. Check out my website and use the links below for any art supplies you might need. But most importantly, get out there and keep doing art because life's a medium.